Hello and welcome back, guys. I'm Jagath and now I'm on way to TVS service center on my Honda Activa. If you have seen my last vlog, you guys would have known the main reason why I'm going in Activa to the service center. So if you see, suddenly my bike stopped in the road and it did not start. Thankfully I was in city, and after waiting for a few hours I got help from Dira service center. They sent 2 persons for towing my bike. Then later, after checking my bike completely, they told the issues with the battery and it has to be replaced. And today I got the battery, so I'm going there to replace it. I will also be making a separate video explaining everything in detail, like on how it happened and how you can avoid this problem and so on. So stay tuned for that. Guys, in case you are new to my channel or you all have watched my videos and have not yet subscribed my channel, I kindly request you all to smash that subscribe button. I make tech and travel videos in 2 languages, English and Tamil. Guys, this is my 8th moto vlog, and in case you all have not watched my previous vlogs, everything is available in my channel. Do watch it. Now me and my brother are going to service center, and after replacing the battery I will give the old battery to my brother and he'll be returning home in Activa. I will get my bike checked completely and then we'll be returning. So this is the plan. Guys, if you see, I serviced my bike recently only. In that service video itself I have actually told that I am worried about the battery as they did not check it, and just like after a month the bike battery has been drained. So anyway, all these are experience only. At least from next time I can be more aware and act accordingly. Now talking about the battery, I have bought Excite battery only, the same battery that comes along with the bike. The model number is Z9. So that stock battery was only recommended to me by others, so I decided to buy that itself. So it was day before yesterday only my bike got stopped. Once the bike got stopped, I was actually very much tense and I actually did not know what to do. Then I got help from RR310 group. So they told me to push start the bike. Push start started, but I had to keep the accelerator rising. Even if we leave it slightly, the bike got turned off. So after trying for 2 to 3 times, I decided that push start is not going to work as I had to drive for nearly 10 kilometers. And I decided to get towing help itself. So once push start did not work, I did not know what to do and I had called the RSA and I booked for towing. Then I got call from Gaurav from RR310 group. He told me he also faced the same issue last week and he told me there's nothing to worry about. And he asked me to buy a battery and replace it. Special thanks to Gaurav and Srinath bro. They both were spot on and told me it is 100% battery issue. And on the same evening around 7:30 I got call from service center and they told me that battery has to be replaced. Like I mentioned earlier, I will explain everything in detail in another video, so stay tuned for it.
A few moments later.
Guys, there was a diversion. So we are going via this main road. We are almost near the service center. It is going to take us just a minute to reach that. Okay, so we have reached. I continue this vlog after some time.
A few moments later.
Now the new battery has been fixed and it should measure 14. So always make sure to check that. Okay guys, so now the battery has been replaced. The bike is ready now. Let's go. Once again, thanks to Dira TVS for helping me during that panic situation. For this I was charged a little. They towed my bike from Nandanam. Then they also told me that they had checked the wiring completely, so I had to pay them a basic charge. To avoid this kind of problem, always make sure to check the battery whenever you come for service. Then battery life is about 2 to 3 years only. So same way, if your battery is old, make sure to replace or recharge it. So yes, the bike is ready now. I'm heading back home. So that's it from this video. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. And also make sure to follow me on Twitter and Insta. If you all have any suggestions or something, do comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.